Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos.
This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Getting to Know IC555 through experiments, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. 6 simple experiments are seen using the IC555. These experiments better help to understand the voltage divider, trigger comparator, threshold comparator, SR flip-flop, discharge transistor, reset transistor, and the output stage. The components used here are IC555 timer, LEDs, resistors, and capacitors.
Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.